Here I've got Motorola Moto G5S, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, and let me enter the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 225, #, And as you can see now we are in calendar info, so here you can check all events, celebrations, as you can see birthdays, holidays, and any other important dates that you have stored in your Google Calendar and also in your internal storage calendar right here. So if you're wondering what your upcoming events are, smoothly enter this code and you'll be provided with all details. Then another code that you can use here is *pound, *pound, 46, 36, #, And here you've got the testing mode performed by Google, where you can check phone information, usage statistics, Wi-Fi information, CMS test alerts, and also NFC settings. All you need to do to reach some particular option is to mark it. And for example, under phone information, you will be able to check email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test, just mark it, and below you've got results. And here it is. And obviously you can use all the rest options the same way, just mark it and check the needed details. So let me go back. Another code that you can use in this Motorola is *pound, *pound, 426, #, And now we are in FCM Diagnostic Mode, where you can check events and also status. And if you would like to open Advanced View, just tap on More icon, click on Advanced View, and now you can reach further details. So that's it. This is how you can debug into for Google Play service. Let me go back. And another very useful code that you can use here is *pound, *pound, 2486, #, And here we've got engineering mode, just allow everything actually, because we need to give it all needed permissions to use it fully. And as you can see, you can reach here, for example, menu mode, sequence mode, model assembly mode. Just if you want to reach something, just click on it, and then you can continue this test. Tap on OK, and now you can check headset and so on. You'll be provided with details. Okay, so we are not able to do it like this. I will switch it off this way because I don't want to do this test as it will take ages. So let me go back to this code one more time. Okay, so now we are still here. Okay, so let me try one more time because I would like to show you just one more thing, and if it's not working unless I perform this test, I will just describe it to you in words, but maybe we can make it. No key is pressed. Okay, so this is key test. As you can see, this is how you can use the test in this device. It's for example key test, so that's it. Then you can check Bluetooth and all other features. I just entered the sequence test, so everything will be checked right here. And also you can just pick the manual test, and you can pick which option you would like to test, which feature. So it's not that the same as here it is, that we have to perform the whole operation and check all the options one by one, but there you will be able to pick, for example, if you want to check Bluetooth or if you would like to check your speaker and so on. But as you can see, I just pressed this one, so we have to go through all of this. I will not show you it all as it will take about 10 minutes, I guess. So actually that would be all. Oh no, I've got one more code. So let me go back. I've got one more code that I want to show you. It's the shortest one, and the code is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with email numbers assigned to your Motorola Moto G5S. So if you need to reach those unique numbers, smoothly enter this code and you will be provided with details quickly and smoothly. And actually that would be all. These are all secret codes that I wanted to share Use them as often as you want and make your life easier. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.